Look at this one, guys. May nakita ako sa aking pitaka. Si Wayne yan. Iba yung kanya itsura, no? Dati, oh. Ha? For Jessica. Man basis, oy, yung mga nagme-message sa akin, Inday, wala na daw ako views. Unsa way labot? Bakit ba kayo problema ganyan? Uy, ako wag kong problemain yung mga ganyan. As long as we're happy, contented ako, si Wayne, mga bata, okay kami, healthy kami. The biggest blessing, nagigising tayo sa umaga na happy and healthy. Kaysa, luoy baya yung ibang mga tao. Okay, tayo sige patagon na hindi naman kasi basis yan sa happiness. Basis of the happiness is being contented of what you have. Ako, blessed na ako kasi I have 3 kids. Oh, soon, ang aking baby sa tummy, maglabas ma. Yun yung aking happiness. Huwag na tayo magsigdaghan o kuan-kuan. So, let's just enjoy life. Huwag na tayo magsigig. Huwag nyo na ako i-message na magsigig kuan na akong mga view, mga kuan diya. Kaya wala akong pakialam. Samo kayo mga joke lang. Kaya, ansa ba po, oy, bakit i-message nyo pa ako na wala naman akong interested sa ganyan. As long as I'm vlogging, it's my remembrance every day for me and my king and you was my remembrance yan every day ng namin ng mga bata. Grabe naman ni kainit, oy. Parang umaga tayo today dahil nag-snow tapos sobrang liwanag sa labas. Hindi sana to ganito pero dahil meron tayong snow for today video. Ganyan yung ating view. Maliwanag. Ang sarap laro doon, oh. Go there, kaya I will take your photo.
But it's cold.
Tingnan nyo, hindi talaga nagpapigil. Sige, smile dire. Jenny, go there, Jenny. Quickly, go there. Smile. 1, 2. Agoy, bati. Wait sa. Quick, 1, 2. Jenny, go there.
I'm scared.
Are you two together? Quickly.
I'm cold.
Quickly. 1, 2, 3. Jenny, JJ, smile. Jenny, look. Jennifer. Hi. Di man mag-look. Uy.
Okay. I want to put my shoes on.
Sige, put your shoes. si Jenny. Dire, put your shoes. Good morning, guys.
I want to make some footprints.
Yeah. Ang aga namin naglabas kay gusto talaga magkita ng snow. Why did you wear that? Ang snow nila nahilis naman kay umuulan. Antok pa in taon ang ilang inahan. Ang aga nang namukaw sa akin kay magtingin na sila ang snow. There you go, snow. Ang pangit ng snow nila. Uy, kay mix man ng ulan. There you go there. Tawon, kaluoy naman. Umuulan. Kaluoy naman na ignorante in taon sila, uy. Tapos umuulan na. Mamaya, mawala na ito mamaya. Let's go na, anak. Let's go. So cold man, oy. It's too cold. Let's go, kay it's raining naman na. Careful, that's very kuan lang, slippery. Uwi na kami kay grabe na ang ulan. Kawawa naman itong mga bata. Yeah. Maybe it will snow again next time, yeah? It's very cold na. Si Jenny, oh. Ha?
I'm holding my knife.
Yeah? Because this one will turn into ice. Basa na yung aking camera. Dali na, quickly, kay Mommy's camera sweat. Ito yung view ng ating mga neighborhood. Laking UK pero ignorante sa snow. Nag-change na kasi yung weather dito ba. Wala nang maraming snow. Dali na! I'm mother? Okay. You want me sit there?
I want.
Maaga naglalaro yung aking mga kids ng Plants vs. Zombie.
I can't see.
Ah, sorry.
Mommy, look! I planted a flower
Do?
that shoots the zombies by itself.
Ah.
JJ, it's behind you. Hey, JJ, don't shoot me. JJ, I'm in your team. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Stop shooting me.
Enjoy kasi silang dalawa, oh.
You see? Like you have a mustache. I don't like mustache. We said da 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 da. Stop! And JJ shooting me.
Sige? JJ naman dito, relax. Pahiga-higa lang. Oh, sorry!
This is the cutter.
Is it? Oh, what's that? Onion pumpkin.
JJ is flying.
Find the anak. Let's screen.
That's it.
Where's the TV?
Yeah, but I need to get down first.
She's flying.
JJ's frying onion. JJ's frying onion.
Is she?
JJ's just shooting that. I'm just
Hala, oy, nagkabuang ang kaning kahoy na regalo ko kay Wayne. Kita nyo, nagdahon na siya. Nagunaon na siya ng kaniyang utom. Ay, ano giling utom? Dili utom. Kanang, ano, unsa ganin na, oy, na weather, na pagkatapos ng winter. Nagunaon na siya magdahon-dahon. Wala pa ganin natapos ang winter.
punch the
What did you say? It's snowing,
yay,
yay.
punch.
Careful, Jenny. Miss yaw, titas. Oy, di ka nagsiman na. Di man makita.
Zoom it.
So, close the window, anak.
Okay, I can't do it that far.
You can't. Okay. Hold the camera for mommy. Jenny, mommy will do it. It's dangerous. Okay.
How do you do that? Hello, me.
Hello, me. Okay. Gigi nandito. Tidy ka lang. Where's Jenny?
Jenny's trying to take the stickers off.
Huh?
Some second duty.
Ah. Oh. What are you doing, Jenny?
And she's targeting the TV.
Oh.
Dad, you dropped some.
Huh?
You dropped some.
What's that?
Look!
Tulong tayo agay. Unsa man nilang? Nearly done, Jenny. Ay, nagkalo naman si Inday Jenny. Nasa loob na yung aming Christmas tree. The cover is broken, eh?
Yeah, the lid broke off. Tape.
Yeah? One tape?
I guess I'm not.
Busy man ni Inday, uy.
Look! Look! Tapos na ang ating 2024.
No, it's 2025.
So, it's 2025 now. What can you say about that, Jenny? Huh? Did you enjoy your Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah? No.
Why?
Pick up the little pieces. See the little pieces on the floor?
Look, I got this.
What that? Koala.
Kawawa stick on my hand.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Nag-bouncing siya yung bigay ni Ate Oni na ball. Wala pang ligo. Good morning!
Mommy, look, I spelled
Yes.
pretty.
Pretty.
And I got princess.
Princess, we are busy.
Where's Gaggy? Where's
Huh?
Gaggy?
Gogi, naghahakot kami. Ito na lang yung nasa loob dito. Kay mag-build na kami ng hey! Bed ni baby. Dito magiging empty na ito.
No, I know.
Ang yan, na-build na diba namin to last few days. Jenny busy.
Want the Hoover?
I'm gonna name it Flo.
What? I didn't. Jenny, we need to hoover, anak.
Want to go around the Hoover, the skating board first?
Yeah.
Do you need the brush for it?
Mag-hoover kami. Wala na, empty na dito. I don't know why they color this box.
Yeah, I can change it if you want. It's as long as easy. It's flat wall.
Is it easy to color it?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm.
But we don't have color.
That white.
What are you doing there? Huh? Mommy will wipe this side. It's
Princess Yatta. Princess Yatta.
Hadza. Ani, itsa ka, ani. I'll just cook for your daddy lang.
Ingin na party.
Hello. Gusto ko sana tong pakulayan kay Wayne, oh. Ito na side ba? Kasi gray. Ayaw ko sa gray. Gusto ko puti. Kaya mas malinis kasi tignan. Iwan ko. Andito yung aming mga ibang gamit. Ay, naku. Ayan. Ito yung bed. Ayan yung... We have to put that one somewhere.
To rearrange.
See the color? White and gray. Is it gray?
I don't know.
I don't know why they color that. I don't really like that color, but
Colour it if you want.
no, it's okay. Number 1, Daddy,
There we go.
Daddy,
Number one. So we
reading
want
the
number.
Daddy. What is that now? Instruction. Oh, may bata dito nangunguha. So,
I don't
are
want
we
my
taking it all? Why?
legs. Don't want my legs.
Your legs is fine. There's no legs.
I know, but you didn't get it.
No.
Right.
OA man ka, oy. OA gid kaayo. Your daddy is OA na.
Right. So we want.
Mango time sa mga bata kay nag-behave gyud in taon ni sila dito, oy. Habang kami busy. Kanyang daddy. Here you go. Kawawa kay grabe yung kanilang view, oh. Yummy. Ay, sweet nak. Sobrang tamis bili ng kanilang daddy. Wow. Do you wanna put it somewhere? Dami lang. Stuffed toy nila yung nasa green bag. Put it down, please. Okay, mommy will help daddy. Where can you put it? It will roll. Go there, be inside daddy's room. I can't hold it for you long time. Mukha ninda yun. Oh, yeah, someone hold it. Be, move. Move your legs. Jenny, move this way. Get this bear. Okay. Move, Jenny. Move. I'll put it in the middle. No, this way. Jenny, move this way. There you go.
Jenny, move a little bit more.
Agoy, hulog na.
I didn't. Hey.
Don't fight. No. Say sorry, JJ. It's accident. Maybe it was your hair. Kaluoy, aning dalawa. Uy, nangkamot lang in taon sila dito. Kaya busy yun kaming dalawa ni Wayne doon nagasimbol. Lami, manggo na. Lami. Andyan sila, oh.
Come on, mommy.
Is it a lot?
If you
Oh, no.
Wait. Red light.
Who wants a job?
Okay lang ako, guys. Okay lang ako.
Okay.
Nagkukuan
There you go
dito.
then.
Oh, pistol!
Put the screws in there like that.
What they gonna do, Daddy?
We're gonna put
Put all the
the screws in the hole.
screws in
already.
the hole. Are you helping, Jenny? Jennifer, are you helping? No. Oh,
Daddy didn't say.
Daddy didn't say. Daddy said who wants to help,
One
guys.
for you, Jenny.
Ikaw na ginbata ka. Uy,
Is that done, JJ?
Yeah.
There's another one there.
give it to Daddy then.
Give me it then.
What?
You do that one then.
Put all the nails.
Screws.
Screws.
They are nails and screws.
Are they? Oh,
Alright.
helper.
Now I know what the line is, mummy.
Sorry?
Now I know what the line is for. We hold that side.
Yeah? Where?
Is it on top of the line or below the line? Below the line, isn't it?
Below.
So obviously,
Ah, like that.
that's what the line is for, isn't it?
Ah,
You
okay.
put it on the line.
Screw lang ni Wayne.
Done.
Oh, goy.
Done.
You wish you have the automatic.
Yeah.
Daddy done.
Last part. Na.
Last part. La, 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 la.
All we need there is cover.
And railing.
Yeah.
And you need railing.
What railing?
Railing.
Hmm.
What did you mean?
You go, Jenny. It's nice.
My daddy's wet.
Hindi masyado mahaba yung super high yung aming binili dahil tabi kami ng
No
bata.
angel.
What?
I'm a snow angel.
Agoy. Okay lang ba yung wall? Ito ba? Para kasi siyang gray, no? Hindi naman halata na sobrang gray. Ilang yan, oy. The two
Can you hide?
bata is R on my bedroom. On my bed. Wow. Jenny, show tita what you got, oh.
What is orange?
Show tita what you got from
What is orange?
the shop.
What is orange?
R. I don't know.
So what
Ah,
is
babe, sakay I'm showing.
What does
Showing.
it mean? What does it mean?
Nothing means. Where? Nothing. What?
So why do you say
Ito yung changing mat ni baby.
That's
No,
it
ba?
changing butt mat?
Yeah. Dito yan. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Dito yan siya.
Oh, Dad.
Shall I take the cover? Oh, wait.
I think when we get a minute, we should paint the walls.
Yes,
I know. That wall.
Daddy, I like this.
Yeah.
What do you like? The koala?
Dad,
Mishi?
I'm sister. This is my kawaii.
Koala.
I'm sister.
Show me. Show me the
It
face of
goes
your
in my
koala.
hand.
Oh. Tapos na kami dito sa room. Pero yung iba nandun pa.
What is that?
There's naughty room.
What is Dumpani?
Shall I open it?
Yeah, what is Dumpani?
Because I can wipe it off. It's not cloth.
No.
That's why I like this one.
Yeah.
What is Dumpani?
What?
What is Candy Princess
Dumpa.
Home?
Lumpa.
Lumpa didididu.
What does that mean? Can I touch?
Right there. There you go.
Look,
It's just a little one.
why does it look like? Why does it don't? It's not fluffy.
Ah.
Easily.
There, yeah.
The baby
Like a
head.
jelly.
Thank you.
Huh?
Because
Any
this.
day, John
You're
Lewis
welcome.
and partners. Keep
I
for
see- I saw
future
it and thought of you.
friends.
I seen it and thought of you.
What? What, honey?
She's thanking me.
Huh?
She's thanking me.
Oh, the koala? She likes the koala.
Mm.
Oh, look at it, honey.
Yeah.
Why does it look like this?
There's stains everywhere because this was the storage. See, the scratch. Nakikita niyo ba ang scratches?
No, because I scratched it with my feet.
Lovely.
Oh. Si Princess, oh, nandito. Hoy!
Shout so
Okay
loud.
ra ka, Jenny?
Because I'm singing. Jenny wants to be a singer. Because I'm a ballerina.
So,
Jenny wants to be a singer.
Does she?
Let's Christmas! I'm a ballerina.
Bukas lang tayo nito. Another day pala tayo today. Hiningal ako kay finalize kami dito. Naglinis. Iklog ko to. We have a news. Kahit hiningal pa, news pa yung Inday Marites. Yung aking panganganak, baka mapaaga daw ang aking panganganak dahil yung aking due date supposed to be May 1. May 1 guys! May 6 yung aking birthday. At ang baby natin is May 1 yung due date niya. But baka daw bigla ang mag-change at mapaaga yung aking panganganak. So, we don't know, either mapaaga or baka gusto ko sana na ang aking baby mag-same kami ng birthday, 6. Kaso lang, ako, si Wayne, si Jessica, May 6 ako, July 6 si Wayne, January si Wayne, 6, tapos si Jessica is 6 din. 6, puro kami, 6, tatlo. Gusto ko maging 6 sana itong aking isa dahil yung due date niya yun is, May 1. May 1 yung nakasabi doon sa screen. Pero sabi ng doktor, either Jan or magiging, baka daw mas maaga yung panganganak. Pero sabi ni Wayne, pag hindi daw magiging May, maybe April, tapos, pag April, gusto namin na maging 30 para may kasama si Inday Jenny dahil si Jennifer, siya lang yung 30, November 30 si Jenny. So, sabi ni Wayne, maybe it's better na pag mag-April, mag-30 kasi April 30, 31 ba yung calendar sa April? Iwan ko, hindi ko alam. Tapos, ilang days lang magiging May na. So, sabi ko, Taurus ito. Same sa akin, Taurus. Same itong ugali sa akin. So, yun po yung aking ganap. At ngayon ako mag-finalize dito. Diba last time nakita nyo, sobrang gulo-gulo to dito. At ako bili ako nito ng leggings na Inday Jessica. Hindi na ako makalakad. Uy, hinihingal na talaga ako. Sobrang laki na ng aking tiyan. Oh. Tapos yung aking body dislocation. Ito, dagdagan ko pa to dahil nga sa ating weather today, sobrang malamig na. Jessica, kailangan ko siyang bilhan ng bagong ganyan. Ito na lang yung kwarto na lang yung kulang. Naglinis na ako sa baba. Ito na lang dito yung kulang na i-hover ko. Ito mo, sapatos na Inday. Pero nagdala ako nitong ganito dito kay ganon-ganon ko. So, ayun po yung aking news sa inyo. Now, you know kung kailan ako manganganak. But, hindi pa yan final. Eh, baka nga mapaaga yung aking pag-anak. Either maaga or I don't know. I-update ko lang kayo kung ano yung susunod na news natin. Teka, mag-hover muna ako ng madalian. Itong hover namin, sobrang dumi na ito. Teka lang. Hoy, kahangak guys. Kailangan kong i-hover yung isang room din at room ni Wayne, room ng mga bata. Teka, magpahinga muna ako. Uy, kay bugat kayo ang aking tiyan. Ito yung iniisip ko dahil nga, di ba, ang aking test sa exam. Sa aking maraming sasabi, hindi pa ako nakagraduate sa pagpupush ng prom. Huwag niyo po problemain. Dahil ako naman yung everyday nagpupush ng prom, no? Hindi kayo. Okay, mag-message lagi yan sila sa akin. Yung iba, hindi naman ako mostly nasa comment section. Dahil alam niyo, di ba, nag-iiwas ako. Gusto ko healthy lang, happy lang. Dahil yung bata kawawa. Dahil nung first few trimester ko, always akong nag-aano nito, nag-moody, nag-iiyak, ganun. So, iniiwasan ko yung stress sa aking life. At ayaw ko makipagmaritisan. Ganun bitaw yung iba na maglibak-libak. Ayaw ko. Gusto ko, ano lang, focus lang ako sa life namin dito. Tapos, yun na nga yung nangyari. Nawala na ako sa passing, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sabihin. So, ayun na nga. Iniisip ko na ang pag-push ko ng prom kay Inday Jessica dahil magbalik naman siya ng pag-aaral naman, no? Dahil sa Christmas at sa New Year, wala siyang pag-aaral. Medyo matagal-tagal talaga. So, yun yung iniisip ko yung pag-push ng prom dahil nahihirapan na nga ako dito sa bahay maglinis-linis pero kinakaya ko everyday, daily routine, naglilinis dito sa bahay. Kinakaya ko lahat dahil pagdating ng bata, mas magiging busy ako. This time, always naming inaano ni Wayne, yung tawag nito, yung aming time together. We spend time mostly sa kanyang room every night. Nanonood kami ng TV, Korean drama, yung aming pinapanood. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, we should spend time dahil pag nandito na nga ito siya, hindi na ako makaka-spend time sa kanya. Walang mga time na maglawing-lawing ganun, hindi. Mag-ano lang kami, watch ng movie, as long as we spend time together, pinapatulog namin yung mga bata. Tapos yun na nga yung routine. Balik na naman sa daily routine na mag-push ako ng ng mga bata nga sa prom. Tapos sabi ni Wayne, appreciate kita dahil grabe daw yung pagkananay ko. I do my best in everything I do and I can. Sura niyang na-appreciate ako. Marami yan siya mga sweet messages sa akin na ako daw, naiisip niya daw ako pag meron siya nakikita nanay na nagkaguliyan kasi maraming anak, ako daw yung naiisip niya and super blessed and thankful daw siya sa akin, ganun, ganito, ganyan. So, bumukad naman ang inyong Inday pero kinakaya ko everyday nga talaga. Sometimes, meron lang din talaga akong yung mayroong maiisip, ganun, hindi ko maiiwasan but I tried my best na isnap sa aking utak ba na Loy, dapat happy lang yun talaga tayo sa ating life kaya hindi ba natin alam, dapat enjoy lang tayo, wag na tayo magsigig hit, magsigig patag hit, comment, unsa pa diha, oy, bitaw. But anyways, yun na nga yung aking sabi sa inyo, wala pa akong exam, ang aking exam is March, which is 2 months to go, January, February, March, 2 months to go yung aking exam, at yun na mag-test ako and I hope hindi i-cancel ng aking instructor, no? Kaya ako natagalan nito dahil yung aking, never pa talaga ako nag-take ng exam. May iba, nag-assumption sila, bumagsak na yan ng maraming beses. Wala, hindi pa ako nag-take ng exam. Never pa talaga ako nag-take ng exam. Yung theory test ko nasa computer, napasa ko na yun. Yung exam ko, kaya nga, diba, paulit-ulit ako mag-explain. Pumunta kasi ako ng Pilipinas at kinancel ni Mark ang aking test. So, natagalan na kay madaming nakabooking, walang available. Yun yung dahilan. Sobrang tagal ko talaga nakagraduate nito aking pag-driving. Nakaka-drive na ako, marunong na ako mag-drive talaga. Every time na magpunta kami kung saan-saan, ako na yung nagda-drive. Pero, hindi, ang kulang lang is mapasa ko nga yung exam para ako na lang. Wala na si Wayne, hindi na si Wayne needed pag nakapasa na ako. So, yun yung problema. Yun yung aming iniisip. So, guys, malapit na kami matapos dito itong kwarto ng bata. So, ipapakita ko to sa inyo next time. Malapit na kami matapos. Madami na akong nabiling mga gamit ni baby. Yes? Hala, mag-ice cream na sad ka lang? Huy, palagi siyang gutom. Si Inday na gid ang palaging gutom. Okay, wait sa. I will just fold this one, okay? Ito, itatapon ko na sana to. Pero sayang man, uy. Sayang siya itapon. So, kinip ko na lang. Ginagawa ko siyang, sometimes, aking blanket. Dito ako natutulog sa room ni baby sometimes. Ito nga, inano ni Wayne dito sa giliran. Dahil si Jenny palaging umaakyat dito. Masira naman itong kanyang kuan. changing mat ng kanyang kapatid. Makulit man kasi iyo tong ate Jenny niya. So, ito na lang yung last. At, uy, wak pa pala ako nakapag-hoover. Hoover ako dyan mamaya. Asikasuhin ko muna si Inday Jenny. Kaya nag-request na naman siya. Gusto niyang kumain ng ice cream. Mag-ice cream si Inday. What we need? Oh, yan yung aming kwarto. What we need is paint all over the wall. As you can see, yung aming wall dito, very messy. Fingerprints and stains everywhere. As you can see, ayan yung paint. Pero, hindi naman kasi sa amin tong bahay ba. Yun kasing paint na ginamit ni Wayne. Ito sa kusina is, nito mamahalin nga itong ginamit niya. Pero kasi yan, hindi namin matrapuhan. We cannot wipe that one off. Dahil yung paint mag-come off. Magkuhan ba? Magtanggal man siya, guys. Kaya yan, hindi talaga namin siya pinupunasan. Kaya sobrang, see, dugyot-dugyot. Huh? Ice cream? Nahingi ng ice creams in the strawberry. Wala na yung Christmas tree. Kinuha na diba namin? Ayan, open na siya. Ito yung changing mat ni baby, diba? Ito dito. Sabi ko kay Wayne, maganda sana ipa-white, pero I don't know, hindi na siguro. Ayan yung kanyang mga gamit. Wala, hindi ko pa tinanggal yung iba dito sa lalagyan. So, meron siyang mga gamit dyan. May shorts na maliliit nila Inday Jessica. Nilagay ko dito. Ayan, marami na akong mga towels, mga mittens. Ito, ay, hindi pala to mitten. Ano nga to? Yung squares ba? Yung lampin. Ito yung mga kalo. Mga ano niya dito, bibs. Ayan, nakaano na yan. So, next time ko na to isa-isahin. Tapos dito, meron din itong laman dito. At ito dito yung kanyang mga, ayan, yung napi niya, yung kanyang blanket. Hindi pa super complete, pero nagtatry kami na iisa-isahin na kasi nga malapit na ako mga anak, guys. So, ito yung inassemble namin ni Wayne last time. Ito, yan, yung computer. Supposed to be, wala to ditong computer set niya, pero wala siya malagyan. So, nandito sa kwarto ni baby. At yan, yung sabi niya, ipalitan niya daw para maging white. Okay lang naman sa akin. Yun lang po. Yun lang po yung aming ganap. Sobrang naging busy kami. Uy, sa Christmas, nag-assemble. Hindi siya madami. Tignan nyo yung inassemble namin doon. Hindi siya maraming tignan, pero grabe, natagalan talaga kami ni Wayne mag-assemble niyan kasi kami lang dalawa ba. Tapos yung chan ko, sabi ko as kanya, luckily, hindi pa sobrang laki talaga kay paglalaki na to mga 8 months pala, 9 months. Wala, hindi na ako maka-help sa kanya. So, we're nearly there. Mga kulang na lang, gamay na lang talaga kulang dyan sa kwarto ng bata. And hopefully, matapos na. Hopefully, matapos na lahat. So, yung aming Christmas, na-enjoy talaga kami sa aming pagre-relax. New Year, relax lang talaga. At walang away, walang gulo, walang drama. Ganun lang. And sobrang happy lang. Happy all the time. Nagpalihi kami ni Wayne na hindi mag-away-away. Hindi mag-away-away. Kaya kung malihian sa New Year, nag-away. Nag-away niya whole year. But, sabi ko nga sa kanya na, honey, if may postpartum ako kasi hindi yan maiwasan, lalo na pag bagong anak, kahit kay Jenny, madalaki na si Jenny, ang postpartum ko sobrang matagal na wala sa akin. So sabi ko, if I have postpartum, I just want you to be there and I needed you to be there beside me. O ganun sabi ko. At hopefully hindi tayo mag-away, magkaintindihan lang tayo kasi last time hindi kasi kami miscommunication, hindi kami nagkaintindihan. So, ayun lang. Thank you all for watching. Kay mag-ano muna ako dun o mag-hoover ako kayo. Thank you guys for all the comment and the love and the support. Amping. Bye-bye. God bless. Nalibot na yung hindi. Ako na kay kong nagway.